You may not have heard of it, and you probably haven't seen one of its cars on the road yet. But Turkey's newest automaker, Togg, has just made headlines in Europe. Its very first models, the T10F electric family saloon and the T10X electric SUV, not only scored 5-star ratings in the latest Euro NCAP safety tests, but also set new high standards for safety and mark a major shift in the electric vehicle market. Let's start with the T10F. Classified as a large family saloon, it achieved an outstanding 95% score for adult occupant protection, among the very highest ever recorded by Euro NCAP. In both frontal and side impact tests, protection was rated as good across all critical body areas, with the passenger compartment remaining stable even in severe crashes. For child occupant safety, the T10F scored 85%, with maximum points in dynamic crash tests using 6- and 10-year-old dummies. Features like ISOFIX, airbag deactivation for child seats, and optional child presence detection add extra peace of mind. The car also protects those outside the vehicle, with 78% for vulnerable road users, thanks to its autonomous emergency braking system that responds to pedestrians, cyclists, and even motorcyclists. Driver assistance systems scored 80%, including lane keeping assist, fatigue detection, intelligent speed assistance, and advanced eCall technology. The T10X, a 5-door electric SUV, performed just as impressively. It scored 94% for adult occupant protection, earning maximum points in frontal and side impact tests. Its strong structure and center airbag design help prevent injuries during severe collisions, while whiplash protection for front seats was rated good. For children, the T10X matched the saloon with 85%, providing excellent crash protection and compatibility with child restraint systems. In pedestrian and cyclist tests, it achieved 79%, again supported by its automatic emergency braking and cyclist dooring prevention system. Safety assist features also reached 80%, with robust lane support, speed assistance, and driver monitoring systems. Together, the T10F and T10X demonstrate that Togg isn't just a new player, it's setting high standards from day one. With world-class safety, advanced technology, and outstanding Euro NCAP results, these two models show that the future of electric mobility is not only about performance and range, but also about protecting lives. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.